Okay.
But there's like a game that you're the two. So what? How do you like it to your dog?
So this is a movie about a boy and his dog. The boy is Jackson. Jackson, wave your hand so everybody knows you're the boy. And the dog is Muggles. Muggles, look up so everybody knows it's Muggles. There it is. And there we go. And there's another dog in this story, and that dog's name is Barbie. But Barbie is very, very busy eating a bone. Right, Barbie? Yep. So we have a story about a boy and his dog. Two dogs. Jackson, is there anything you want to say about your doggies?
Well, they're really special and they are really cute. And like when they want to play with me, they like attack me.
Okay.
And they're really fun to play with.
Okay, bye-bye.